so here's the video of the system that I created that could completely change how you manage customer support. So let's get into it. So for this demo, I've included 4 features you can see right there, and assess Fenty Beauty because I am using a demo of what I created for the Fenty Beauty shop. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's get started. Let's start with shop beauty products. I'm the customer. I want to check out some beauty products because the Fenty Beauty shop is a beauty shop. Alright, let's go. So it asks which of the best seller would you like to see. Maybe I want some makeup. I can click makeup. And what it does, it provides me some of the best selling options. Cruelty free, vegan free, high quality. And these are the options. The top 3 are, 4 options. And it gives a little description at the bottom of it. So let's say I'm feeling this, I could easily put add to cart. And what it does is it takes me to the product page where I could select my variant, whatever, and I could add to my cart. And it asks, do I want some recommendations or explore more options? Let's say I wasn't sure of what I added to my cart. I could hit recommendations and I could type, I want something for my eye bags. And what it does is it acknowledges my request, and it acknowledges it right here, and it gives me some product based on my request. So it scans the entire website and provides a product, the best product it can based on my request. So this is a product, Thick and Smooth Rich Peptide Eye Cream. So yeah, you could see, and this feature really builds trust from the customer, and from my experience, it increases conversion rates. And probably the most important is that it produces some loyal customers. Okay, so now let's check out the next feature, order and purchases. I'm the customer, I need help with some order or some purchase I made. So it's gonna ask, are you reaching out of one you've recently placed? Yep, I am. And for the purpose of this demo, I've created some mock orders and they're attached to a tracking number. That's what I'm gonna use to demonstrate how to use it. So I wanna check my order status. I click that option. It tells me it's gonna need some information from me, just like my tracking number. So 123. That's my tracking number. A mock order, by the way. So it's gonna get, hey, I found your order. And it seems like your plush recovery lip mask. So this is the product from my tracking number. And what it does is it scans the entire website for all the orders it's receiving, and it matches it with the email and or the tracking number, whatever. So now, do I want to add a note to my order? I'll click yeah. I don't really care, but for the purpose, I'll just show hi. So when I add a note, it's gonna add it to my order, of course, and the people at the other end can read my note as they're processing my order. And it provides, and it says, great, your note has been added to your order, and it provides the product, and it provides the final status. It's still processing. Now, let's say I want to cancel my order. So I could click order and purchases. I need help with your order recently placed. Yep. Which of the following options cancel an order, right? Needs my information still, so let me try 123 again. 123. It says, hey, I found your order. Seems like your product is processing. Do you want to add a note to the order? Nope. And so what this does is it actually scans through the website's policy, the refund policy. And for the fentybeauty.com, the website policy, it says if your product is not being shipped, you're eligible to cancel it. But if it's been shipped, it doesn't fit the criteria to cancel it, so it's not gonna work. So this right here is not being shipped, it's still processing. So it allows me to cancel my order so seamlessly. You can see how easy it is. You don't have to do any extra step. The customer is just so satisfied. So the order has been canceled. Now let's check a case where my order does not fit the criteria. So another product I created. This is my order number. It goes, hey Lonnie, found your order. Seems like your sunscreen is shipped. You want to add a note to the order? Just skip that. Nope. Look, it looks like your order has already been shipped and is not able to be canceled. Recommend learning about a return policy so you can return or exchange a product once you received it. Now, let's say I'm mad. I'm really pissed. I could go ahead and talk to the agent. and now I could submit a ticket to their support team, and they're gonna get back to me via email. So let's go, Money. Right, my email is money123 at gmail. I cannot type .com. Okay. So what specific issue? Okay. Need help with my order. Okay. Now it's gonna submit the ticket. It gives me a ticket ID, and those guys on the other end can get back to me and they could chat and help me resolve my issues. Now that's about it for this feature. Let's go on to the next. Alright, moving on to the last feature, we have customer service. Now let's go ahead and click it. I need some help with some customer service. Oh, I could ask it any question. Okay, let me go ahead and ask it a question. Let's try, let me ask them about the refund policy. What is your refund policy? Okay. Looks like you're interested in a refund policy, and it provides a whole on detailed, summarized version of what you just saw in the last minute or so. So now it provides everything. If you don't love your purchase, we offer free prepaid returns for all. pennybeauty.com, blah blah blah. Did my answer help to solve your question? If I click no, it's gonna. Oh no, I'm very sorry to hear that, and it offers to submit a ticket to the client. But let's say I wanted to get a recommendation, like I already showed you. Let's make it hard. Let's specify. Now let's say I need something for my skin. Let's make it so vague. I need something for my skin that's smooth and lightweight. Okay, I don't know about this, but like I'm just gonna okay. Alright, yeah, it goes, I heard you. It sounds like you're looking for a moisturizer that won't weigh on your skin down. Let me suggest on Hydra, Visor, Invisible. Oh man, so this is the product anyways. So yeah, it's a non-greasy formula. It's perfect for all skin types, including oily complexion. It blends seamlessly, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, and asked do I need any other recommendations? Yes, and then I could type more if I wanted to. And if I type no, it's gonna say thank you for, like, did my answer help you solve your question? And I could click yes and make it happy. So that's about it. So yeah, these are the 4 features I've decided to use for this demo. And really the features you could add are endless. I mean, you could go from automating live phone calls to automating, you know, email responses from your team. You could automate everything you pay people to do. And you could even automate messages, maybe you have new releases or anything. So I hope you kind of get an idea of how this works. And if you're interested, just reach out to me and I could walk you through how I could use this to specifically help your business. And yeah, let me hear your thoughts. Bye bye.